Namaskar, my dear divine family, and welcome to a whole new series of Panch Portal this 2025. एक नई शुरुआत, एक नया साल, बहुत सारे सपने मेरे और आपके, and I hope to God that each one of our dreams do come true. पंच पोर्टल एक ऐसा गेटवे है जो आपकी जिंदगी के 5 एरियाज के बारे में आपको बताता है। बिजनेस, मनी, रिलेशनशिप्स, योर हेल्थ एंड योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी। इन 5 पोर्टल्स के बारे में बताएंगे वीकली बेसिस पे मेरे यानी ट्रांसेंडिंग बिलीव्स के एक्सपर्ट्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मोक्ष पाठ।
Hi, welcome you all to the Punch Portal series for the month of January 2026, week 3, which is from Jan 19th to Jan 25th. I'm going to talk about the realm of heart and mind harmony, which is all about your physiological and psychological aspects of your body. In this daily hustle of life, we all have forgotten about our real likes and dislikes. We just follow the new societal trends blindly. So this guidance is an indication for you to go within and feel your emotions. You need to act on what resonates with you the best. Get clarity on what you want from your life. See and interpret the impact of your choices and need be make the necessary changes in your lifestyle for your mental and physical health. Learn to gain balance between your heart and your mind. Remember, when these two work in alignment with each other, that is the time that you will be open to new changes in your life. This will also welcome a lot of abundance in your life. You will increase your ability to manifest easily. Remember to be comfortable with your choices, because if you doubt your ability or your choices, then the universe will also reply back with the same vibrations of doubt. You should also be okay to be unique with your choices. Just be yourself. Remedy for you for this week is to have a balanced and a nutritious diet. Take adequate sleep, meditate, and prioritize yourself. Nurture yourself. I am Karishma, your Moksha Bottom reader. This is a generic reading. DM me for in-depth reading. Thank you.
The Divine Source, this Alpa Moksha expert guide and manifestation coach, guiding you through the Punch portal for the period of 19 to 25th January 2026 for the realm of Prospero Vitality. This realm governs your financial strength, work energy and material stability. This period is favorable for focusing on steady income, financial stability and practical growth. The energy of this realm supports consistent work, clear financial planning, and organized money management. This is a good time to review income sources, strengthen savings habits, and bring structure into investments. Long-term planning brings better results than short-term thinking. Money responds well to patience, discipline, and regular efforts during this phase. This period makes you physically stable and mentally clear for you to take better financial decisions. Daily routine, work consistency, and realistic goals are strongly supported now. This is the right phase to review existing investments, strengthen structure options, and build financial security step by step. This period supports stable income, wise planning, and lasting prosperity. Now, the remedy for this week. Chanting the Shri Mantra supports in attracting financial vitality and inner confidence. Chanting into the number of 11 or 21 times at your convenience. Thank you for listening this guidance. For personal financial insight or deep clarity, you may direct messages directly. Thank you.
मोक्ष पाठ एक ऐसी साइंस जो 12th सेंचुरी में ऋषियों ने बनाई to give you an idea of what life should be, of how to master yourself and to walk the path of practical spirituality. I never knew I could have my cake and eat it too till I met Mokshpat in my life. However, if you think Mokshpat is not for you, think again. Mokshpat hum sab ke liye hai. So if you are ready to welcome Mokshapat into your life, do comment on this video and let us know. We will get in touch with you with the correct information. Till then, enjoy the next few videos of Panch Portal and complete this week's reading, hoping it brings you all the wellness you desire.
Namaste dear friends, I am Shilpa Shah, a Mokspat reader and an advanced Vastu practitioner, and I am here to share an insight from the board on the realm of work energy flow for the week of Jan 19 to Jan 25, 2026. This week's guidance brings our attention to the powerful and steady attributes of Earth. The Earth teaches us stability, patience, and the ability to give at 100% without hesitation. The board gently reminds us that our work becomes meaningful when we give our best with sincerity, consistency, and grounded energy. The earth does not choose what to give and choose to hold back. It nurtures all life relentlessly, using its core quality of silent and unconditional giving. We are encouraged to bring the same essence into our professional responsibilities. When our intentions is pure and steady, the energy around our work begins to flow smoothly. Work energy flow improves when we are grounded. If our thoughts are scattered, our efforts lose direction. But when we anchor ourselves in earth-like qualities, discipline, patience, and quiet strength, our work becomes organized, balanced, and productive. Just as the earth builds slowly and steadily, creating results that last, you too can build your work energy in a way that helps it flow strong and long. As a simple remedy, place a small bowl of crystal salt in the southwest corner of your workspace and change it every week. This Vastu correction stabilizes your work energy, strengthens grounding. That is all for now. Further guidance and consultation, you may DM me with gratitude. Stay healthy, happy, and grounded.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of heart connection from January 19th to January 25th according to Mokspat board. The realm of heart connection defines your relationship with your loved ones. This week you will find stability in your relationships. और आपको ये भी बोध होगा कि संबंधों में आत्मीयता बनाए रखने के लिए क्या कदम उठाने आवश्यक हैं. यू विल शो सम क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी टुवर्ड्स योर लव्ड वंस, जैसे कि कोई उपहार लाना या फिर एनी काइंड ऑफ स्वीट जेस्चर. और साथ ही आपको ये भी एहसास होगा कि अतीत में वो कौन सी गलतियां थी जिनसे संबंधों में गलतफहमी पैदा हुई. आप अपने भीतर के अंधकार को जीतकर नए परिवेश के साथ संबंधों को अपनाएंगे. योर इंट्यूशन विल गाइड यू द बेस्ट, सो फॉलो योर इंट्यूशन. आपके लिए सुझाव है कि आप रोज क्वार्ट्ज क्रिस्टल का कोई ऑब्जेक्ट अपने समीप रखें. आप एक ब्रेसलेट पहन सकते हैं या फिर पिरामिड या फिर रॉ क्रिस्टल अपने लिविंग एरिया या बेडरूम एरिया के समीप रखें. इससे आपके संबंध और भी प्रगाढ़ होंगे. आपके संबंधों में और भी आत्मीयता का समावेश हो, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa, a Mokshpata expert guided manifestation coach, sharing guidance under the Punch Portal program for the period of 19th to 25th January 2026. This is a positive and supportive period under the realm of divine alignment. The Mokshpata board shows that the core energy of this time is pure happiness. Pure happiness means joy that comes from within. It is not dependent on people, situation, money, or results. During this period, the spiritual message is clear. You are safe, complete, and divinely supported. This is a gentle time to slow down, surrender, and accept life as it is. When you move with acceptance, you naturally align with your higher self. This alignment brings inner peace, emotional stability, and contentment. If you remain divinely aligned in this phase, your happiness becomes calm and steady. You will feel less affected by outer ups and downs. This period helps you understand true happiness, the happiness that stays within you. This is also a favorable time to experience Nijanand, the bliss of the soul joy that arises from the self. Now it is time for the remedy. Sit quietly for 5 minutes daily. Place one hand on your heart. Take slow deep breath. Gently affirm, I accept myself, I trust the divine flow, and end it with feeling of gratitude. For personal guidance, customized remedy, or deeper clarity as per your energy, you may directly message us. We will be happy to guide you. Thank you.
I hope this week's Punch Portal adds a lot of value and wellness to your life. If you have a question or if you would like to get a personal reading, do leave us a comment telling us the name of the professional you would like to work with. And remember, 2025 is a whole new slate to write on. So wish you a very happy new year and happy manifesting.